what do we mean by circular? Quite simply, it's the concept of eliminating waste.
Can Washington be the next global hub for the circular economy?
And I don't think we can talk about the circular economy without really recognizing the importance of community. And that's really embedded into what NextCycle does.
So for those you are sitting there ready for your first pitch here, you're wondering if it's worth it. Your bold vision ideas are already the winner to make Washington State more sustainable in the future.
If you added up all the reclaimed wood that we've saved, it would be equivalent to 10,000 acres of standing forest.
There's policy supporting this movement forward. There's lots of really inspiring research as well.
Unfortunately, 90% of them end up here at the dump, even though they're 95% recyclable.
It's a transformational platform for men coming out of incarceration, addiction, and homelessness.
I founded Revolve Solar because I believe that reuse is the key to expanding access to clean energy and preventing waste.
I was shocked to find out that there currently wasn't an alternative on the market that currently ticked all the boxes.
All of our customers have a plan for how they're going to get to net zero. And while they're excited that we're helping them avoid emissions, really what they need as part of their strategy is that carbon negative solution.
I've dedicated my entire professional life towards solving problems with plastic and fighting climate change.
Seems obvious. My favorite pillar is focused on innovation. And that's what NextCycle Washington is all about.